PMRS manufacturing.
This is what we thought manufacturing was, but boy, were we wrong.
Welcome to PMRS.
We've made probably more than 10% of all billion-dollar drugs in the world.
PMRS is made of 3 parts.
Raw materials.
So in raw materials, all of the materials that go into the finished drug product, that's what we test in this laboratory. Pharmaceutical manufacturing gives you a purpose. You know, when you go to work in the morning, you're doing something to make a difference. We make, drugs for people with cystic fibrosis or muscular dystrophy. You're improving lives and you're making a difference. That intro is to ensure that you're putting out a safe product that's elemental and purity-free.
Manufacturing sweets.
So I think the coolest thing about manufacturing is that you have a tangible product. And not only do we make a product, but we make a product that changes the longevity and quality of somebody's life being a pharmaceutical manufacturer. Here, you'll see the tablet press tooling. And again, that's what's going to make the shape of this tablet.
Analytical lab.
So analytical services also make sure that the product is what it says it is.
So basically, this gives us a reading on how long it's going to take when you take a drug before you start to digest it and start to absorb it into your body.
This forces the powder to disperse within solution and eventually gets it to dissolve.
We had the opportunity to meet Liz, a chemist at PMRS.
How do you feel being a woman in the scientific industry?
You get to really show that you can compete and you can do just about anything, that guys can do.
The owner, Ed Thompson.
23 years ago, we made the first nanoparticle in the pharmaceutical industry. We made a drug 1/1000th of its original size. It's in every organ transplant patient in the world. It's the coating on every stent in the world. And we were the only guys to make it for 11 years. So we put an enormous amount of energy into quality. Do it right once the first time. Prevent, don't correct.
One word of advice.
You're going to have to work hard. You're going to have to study. You're going to have to be a forever student. But you're going to have a ball.
Boy, were we wrong.
Manufacturing is cooler than we thought.